Admonition 8. As long as an affair can be arranged with gold, it is not proper to endanger life. When the hand is foiled in every stratagem, it is licit to put the hand to the sword. And life is more important than wealth. And we find nowadays that, the so-called excuses for war, which honestly, there's a small number of people who are getting wealthy off the wars, and they're in their bunkers, and they're not, even in nuclear war, they're, they're among the survivors, right, rather than the main targets. But it's much cheaper to just give this massive charity and feed these millions of people than it is to go to the war. And then on top of that, both sides lose part of their thing. But, again, there's a small group of people making money off the thing. Oh, why should we go to war with Ukraine, the Ukraine thing? Is it because Ukraine's in the right? No. It's because there's 400 companies that are vying to make money off that war. Seriously, there was a list of over 400 companies. And, war being physical war being a last resort is certainly an important concept.